The second annual district meeting of the National Health Mission Employees Association of Meghalaya, NEAM West Khasi Hills chapter, was held at Bishop Hall, Nongstoin on Saturday. The meeting was attended by District Medical and Health Officer of West Khasi Hills District, Dr. E. Taryang. During the meeting, staff of the mission raised queries and issues related to quarter allotment, mobility of ANMs, internal recruitment and more. Registration and renewal of new and existing members were also conducted during the meeting.
Kini ka abbreviation mana ka full form kini National Health Mission Employee Association.